This culture of lying and cheating, this culture of deception that is reeking in every aspect of our business lives. My respected brothers, behind it is what? Behind it is this greed. Greed for this dunya. It is said of all the Sahaba that narrated hadith from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the most ahadith were narrated by Sayyidina Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu, 5,374 ahadith. Second highest narrator of hadith, in excess of 2,200, was Sayyidina Aisha radiallahu anha, our mother, Aisha Mu'mineen. On one occasion she was asked, the second highest narrator of hadith was asked, what is it that you heard my Nabi repeating the most often? What did you hear him repeating the most often? She said, the thing I heard Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam repeating the most often, لو كان لابن آدم واديا من ذهب أحب أن يكون له واديان ولن يملأ فاه إلا التراب. He said that this human being is such, his nature is such, that if he had one valley of gold, he'll want the second one. If he had the second one, he'll want the third one. And what did Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam say? If he doesn't make ilaj, if he doesn't address the sickness of greed, he doesn't address the sickness of chasing and chasing and chasing, nothing will satisfy him except the sand of the grave, when it will be too late. Inna Jibreel alqa fi raw'i anna an-nafs lan tamut hatta tastakmila rizqa fattaqullah wa ajmilu fi talab. One hadith, my respected brothers, write it down in gold. And every day, before you walk into that shop, every day, before you go to the marketplace, this is why our elders are saying, sit in the morning mashwara. Take part in the environment of iman in the masjid. Bring the talks of iman and yaqeen. Remind ourselves, this life is temporary. What did Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam say? He didn't say, Jibreel came and told me. He didn't say, Jibreel came and told me. What did he say? He says, Jibreel came and blew it into my heart. Alqa fi raw'i. Jibreel blew this into my heart, that you cannot die, you cannot die, you cannot die until you do not finish the risk which Allah wrote for you. So fear Allah in seeking your livelihood. Ajmilu fi talab. And what did he say? He didn't say don't earn. What did Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam stop us from? Backdoor. Stop this chasing, stop this running after your own tail. You can't get more. Ajmilu fi talab. He said, adopt moderation.